Change is here, it is terrifying, and it is just the beginning.
Unprecedented flooding is sweeping several countries at once, washing away cars, destroying bridges, and knocking out power supplies. Extreme weather events like this are endangering lives around the world. In Slovenia, 2/3 of the country has been ravaged by heavy downpours.
The floods are the biggest natural disaster in Slovenia's history.
And in Croatia, Hungary, and Austria, residents haven't escaped the torrential rain either.
The climate has clearly changed. There was no such thing as flooding in August.
Meanwhile, in China, over 1 million people in northern Hebei province were forced to relocate due to relentless rain. But even cities with the proper drainage infrastructure like Beijing have not been able to escape receding floodwaters, causing widespread damage to urban areas.
Small cities can bring a lot of goods for the cities in terms of the production of mild and frequent small rain. That's very useful. But small cities is not for the climate extremes and those issues.
Scientists say more storms are forming as the atmosphere gets warmer.
Unfortunately, we are on a path to more global warming, right? We have not stopped emitting carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. As long as we do so, the planet will continue to warm. As it warms, we will have more water vapor in the atmosphere. As we have more water vapor in the atmosphere, we will have more intense rainfall.
The chief of the World Climate Research Program says the reduction in sea ice in Antarctica is causing more heat waves and extreme temperatures.
There really is completely unprecedented, this kind of reduction in sea ice that we've seen around the Antarctic. But if the oceans are warming considerably, that has a knock-on effect on the atmosphere, on sea ice and ice worldwide.
In Paris in 2015, 195 countries signed an agreement to limit the global temperature increase to 1.5 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels. But the World Meteorological Organization says there is now a 66% likelihood that temperatures will cross that threshold by 2027. And the UN says only with dramatic and immediate climate action is it possible to limit the global temperature rise. Mikail Malik, TRT World.